To clip your game recordings on Steam, there's two different options. First one is in the view, then select recordings and screenshots. Now select whichever video you want to clip. For example, let's go with this one. And then there's this timeline. You can click on the clip and adjust the length of that clip, after which you'll be able to save and share it. Now we can save it in Steam, export it as a video file, or share it on the chat to our friends. I'm gonna save it in my Steam, and now when we go back, the clip is right here. And the other way to do it is to launch any game. Now the recording should begin, and when you open your Steam interface, you can do it by default with Shift and Tab. Then there's the timeline right here on the top as well. Now select the specific moment, click on clip, and then again you will see this clip that you can manage by dragging it like that. It's a bit wonky, but we should be able to manage it. And then when you capture everything that you want, let's stop the footage because I think that's what breaks it. Let's cancel, then clip again, and now it should work fine. And now we can save and share it, and again save it in Steam for that example. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.